guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Do you remember the pesto sauce? That's a special and very famous Italian sauce, and usually it's prepared with basil. We did a special pesto a few months ago prepared with rocket salad, and today we are going to do a third. In English is like that. Yeah, in Italian we do this, in English is like three is like that. A third kind of pesto sauce, this time with zucchini. It will be delicious, it can be frozen, so let's go to the kitchen to prepare this special Italian sauce. And these are the easy ingredients and the few ingredients that we will use today. 500 grams of zucchini, 150 grams of Parmesan cheese that we will grate after, a pinch of salt, extra virgin olive oil, and 25 grams of basil. But there is also a special ingredient, 50 grams of walnuts. In English, walnuts. But let's start this preparation. I already washed my zucchini, so now I will cut the extremities. You should always wash them before cutting the extremities because the main goal with the zucchini is to take out all the water that they contains. Only doing that you will prepare a delicious dish with zucchini, any kind of zucchini dish. So we cut the extremities and now I'm supposed to grate it. I will use this tool, it's very easy and easy for everybody. I'm able to do something wrong even with this super easy tool and you will see what happens, but the dish is really yummy, so keep watching. I put the inside part to the wrong side, so the zucchini were not going into the plastic, but they were pushing against it. So it was very hard to grate them. Usually I don't use these big holes because usually this grater is for Parmesan cheese, so I use the little ones, and the part inside was upside down for the zucchini. But no problem, we are going to go on with the recipe as usual. A disaster, a mistake is not a true big problem in the kitchen. We can always repair what we did and go on with the recipe, especially if we cook with passion and love. While grating the zucchini, I would like to remind you which are the 10 most ketogenic and common veggies. This information is from the famous diet doctor. He is a Swedish doctor specialized in ketogenic and low-carb diet. So I trust him very much and I hope this information will be useful also for you. Usually you should choose the green veggies. The color is very important, and the veggies that grow below ground. So the 10 most keto are cauliflower, cabbage, the famous avocado that is also the symbol of a keto diet, then broccoli, of course zucchini that we are using today, but also spinach, asparagus, kale, green beans that are the only legumes allowed on a ketogenic diet, so be careful, but the green beans are really yummy. And finally, the Brussels sprouts. But let's go back to the zucchini and let's find out how is the easiest way to take out the water. We put them on a net, we add some salt and a weight on top, and we left them for half an hour. See what happens. the fact that they were grated, the fact that we added salt, and also the weight did all the job. In half an hour you will be able to take out this great amount of water, green water, from your zucchini. And they will be much more delicious. So don't be in a hurry to prepare this recipe because it's super easy, but this is a very important step because nobody likes a watery sauce. So remind to do this. And now it's time to create the sauce by putting in our blender all the ingredients. Let's start with the basil. Then the walnuts. I choose the walnuts even if in the original recipe there are pine nuts because they are lower in carbs. And if you have pecans, it's even better because pecans are lower in carbs than walnuts and all of them will taste great. Then, talking about great, it's time to put the grated Parmesan cheese. This is home grated, that's why you can see that it's not perfect, but it's more delicious, so I highly recommend you to grate it when you will use it. Then finally the zucchini and the extra virgin olive oil. For the oil, I don't give you a quantity because it depends on how you like your sauce. If you want it dense, put it less oil. If you want more liquid, you should put more oil. This is a super keto ingredient made 100% of fat. So you can use it and don't worry about the ketosis because oil always helps the ketosis. I would like a dense sauce because I will use it as a side dish with a fillet with good meat, and also I love this sauce together with grilled chicken, but I will add a special touch, some powdered garlic, because I like it very much, but this is not a mandatory ingredient, so don't worry if you don't like garlic, just skip this ingredient, but I promise you that it will taste great. And this is the final result. It tastes and it smells great. It looks like a guacamole a little bit, but it's different. So you have another option that is still very ketogenic and very yummy. And now I will show you how to keep this sauce fresh and delicious for as long as possible. You are supposed to put it in individual jars like I'm doing. I highly recommend the glass one, the one that you can close very well like this. And then you should put some olive oil on top so it will not oxidate. You can keep like this in your fridge for 3 days, or you can put it in the freezer, so you can keep them frozen for at least 3 months. So don't worry, you can prepare big quantities like I did and do it one to eat as soon as possible, because with this smell you cannot resist. And the other 2, I will put them on the I will froze them and I will take them out when I will need them. With meat, but also with shirataki, this will taste amazing. I really hope you like today's sauce, Italian sauce, and you will consider to subscribe to my channel. Thanks to all the people that already subscribe. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time in the afternoon, 2 p.m. Italian time, with another ketogenic video in English. but also on Wednesday at the same time with the same video but in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. So see you next week and see you next week and thank you all.
You stick around, show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to